Hey Nissan Rogue owners, have you ever noticed a strange noise coming from your HVAC system? Maybe a whirring or gurgling sound that just doesn't seem right? Or maybe you found your driver's carpet suspiciously wet, especially after a car wash or heavy rain? These symptoms might seem minor, but they can point to a hidden issue that's more common than you think. If you drive a 2014 to 2020 Nissan Rogue, you're not alone. Many owners have reported these exact problems. Let's break down what's really happening under the hood. Nissan has actually released a technical service bulletin, NTB20-090, about this issue. This bulletin outlines the problem and the recommended fix, but it's not a recall, so you won't get an official notice in the mail. That means unless your Rogue is still under warranty, you'll likely have to pay for repairs yourself. So what's causing all this trouble? The most common symptoms are a noisy HVAC blower. Sometimes it sounds like it's struggling or louder than normal, and water appearing on the driver's side floor. You might also notice a musty smell, which is a sign of moisture buildup. Water can drip onto your carpet, soak the insulation, and even pool under the dashboard. The root cause is usually water entering through the HVAC air inlet, or the plenum chamber, which is the compartment at the base of your windshield where outside air enters the ventilation system. If the seals or grommets in this area fail, or if the drain tubes get clogged, water can leak directly into the cabin. Dealers have a step-by-step fix straight from Nissan. First, they'll inspect the plenum chamber and HVAC intake for leaks or failed seals. If they find any, they'll reseal the affected areas with special automotive sealant. They'll also check the HVAC drain hose, which is supposed to channel condensation safely out of the car. If it's kinked, blocked, or disconnected, water can back up and overflow into the cabin. The fix might involve adjusting or replacing the hose to ensure proper drainage. If your carpet is already wet, the technician will need to dry it out thoroughly. This might involve removing the carpet and insulation using blowers and cleaning to prevent mold and mildew. Keep in mind, unless your Rogue is still under warranty, you'll be responsible for the repair costs, which can add up if there's water damage or mold remediation needed. Online forums are full of Rogue owners, especially from 2017 to 2019, sharing their experiences. Some report repeated issues, while others have found permanent solutions. Here's what some Rogue owners are saying. One owner shared, "I fixed the leak myself by cleaning out the drain tubes and resealing the grommets. No more wet carpet since." Another commented, "This is the third time I've had water on my floor. The dealer fixed it twice, but the problem keeps coming back." And someone else said, "Luckily, my Rogue was still under warranty, so the dealership handled everything and even replaced my carpet for free." Some have tried DIY fixes like cleaning out clogged drains with a wire or compressed air, or resealing grommets and seams themselves. These can work if you're comfortable working on your car, but be careful. Missing a leak can lead to bigger problems. Others have had their dealer handle the repair, sometimes at no charge if their vehicle was still under warranty or as a goodwill gesture. If this issue isn't fixed, the consequences can get serious. Persistent moisture can lead to mold and mildew, which not only smells bad, but can also cause health problems. Over time, water can damage electrical components under the carpet, leading to expensive repairs. So, if you notice a noisy blower, a soggy carpet, or a musty smell, don't ignore it. These are warning signs that your Rogue might have this HVAC water intrusion issue. Let me know in the comments if you've run into this problem, or if you've found a fix that worked for you. Sharing your experience can help other Rogue owners avoid costly damage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for more in-depth car info and tips. Thanks for watching and stay dry out there.